Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a trading 212 card. So in order to get it, first of all, you need to apply for the card from the application. So you need to simply just launch your trading 212 app and then log in into your account. So when this is done, simply tap on this cards option over here. Now you are going to see the trading 212 card, so you can use it in order to spend like an investor. So over here you are going to see all of its perks, like you can spend worldwide with 0% FX fee and always at the true interbank rate. You are going to earn cashbacks on it. The multi-currency, 12 major currencies are supported. It's free and there is no monthly fees at all, and you can also earn the interest on your cash, 3.8% AER on your GBP. So over here, in order to apply for the card or in order to get your card, simply tap on the option of get your card. Then you just have to verify your account, you need to verify your identity, and then you need to add funds. Afterwards, you just have to simply follow further on screen instructions in order to basically send the card request, and follow further instructions in order to get this card. So the virtual card is going to be enabled inside your account almost instantly, and the physical card is going to take up to 3 to 7 business days in order to reach at your home address. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.